Hi everyone. Today I have got a router, switch, an IP camera and a laptop. With all these devices, I will try to explain you about IP address, gateway and subnet mask, how these things work on these computer devices. And also I will discuss about what are the types of problems that we technicians face on day-to-day life. I will explain you in three simple steps. First one is theoretical definition, second one is practical implementation, and third one is the problem we are facing day to day life. So let's start, guys. Let's move to the first step, guys. Is IP address. An IP address is a number given to a device, so it can be identified and communicate on a network. So it means you have to keep in mind that different IP range is equal to no connection. You have to be in a same IP range in order to establish a connection. Just like here in example, here one switch and the camera, they are on different IP range, so there is no connection. But here in router and laptop are in same IP range, so we are getting connection between them. So don't worry about this. How do I set up this 192.10.15.16? So don't worry about this. I will set this on detail later on this video. Moving on to next, that is subnet mask. A subnet mask tells devices which network they belongs to. Just like example, we usually use 255.255.255.0. That means device must share same first three numbers, guys. So here on this network 1, I have created router and laptop. They share a common three number. You can see here you can see here 192.168.5.52 and 192.168.5.52. It means they share a first three numbers same, so they are on network 1. Same is like that here in the switch part, 1916.52.18 and 16.52.18. Like they same, the first three numbers same, but the last number was different. It is always like this is a difference. So it means they are network 1 and network 2. They share the same network. That is subnet. Moving on to next is gateway. A gateway is the main device that connects your network to the internet or your main server. So here usually router is the gateway. So here in this diagram, in this example, the router and laptop are share a same gateway. The main thing you need to remember that gateway needs to be same in order to communicate each other. So here on this video, the gateway of router and the gateway of laptop are same, so there is a connection. But the router and the laptop, in the second example, there is a no common in the gateway between the router and the laptop, so there is no connection. So you have to keep in mind that in order to get a gateway connection, you need to have a same gateway address. So don't worry, we will see all these things on the practical lab. So let's dive into the practical lab. Yep. This is the cable from the router, from the internet router, and I'm connecting this one to here on the switch. And this is the cable from the camera. So camera is getting power from the PoE injector, from which it is giving a power to the camera, and from the data port is going to the switch, and from switch I will take one cable to the router. So we will see here router. So exactly, guys, here in this video, I will say this one here. Let's talk about it. Here you can see the block diagram of what we are doing here. So this is a router which consists of 192.168.31.1 IP, and we got an IP camera here. It has got 10.50.12.15, whereas my laptop has got 192.168.50.21, and they are all connected through the internet switch. So similar, although the wire is connected here properly with my laptop, but I can't access the internet, so it is showing the no internet connection. There is a laptop, there is a there is a LAN connected on my laptop, but I can't access the internet. So this is the problem because of, as I already told you, that different IP range equal to no connection. So here my laptop and my router are on different IP range. So they are not connecting each other. So let's fix this one. So in order to fix this issue, we need to make sure that our laptop will be on the same range of our router. So let's go to this internet icon option, right click on it, open network and internet setting, and click on Ethernet option, and click on change adapter option, and double click on Ethernet option, and double click on properties, and double click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. And now you can see your IP subnet marks and the default gateway. So now remember once again that the IP range must be equal. So 192.168, my router has got a 31 IP range. Always remember that this third number is the range option. So we need to make same to the what the router is. So 192.168.31 dot, this last number is the unique number. So you have to make it different other than a router number. So let's leave it 101, just like that. And also we need to make sure that this range should be same with the router. So 192.168.31.1, and our router has also got 192.168.31.1. So it's same. So let's save it. So click on, if you apply all these things, click on save it and click on yes. So I just want to double check 31 that yes, all are saved. Click on yes, click on OK, click on close, and let's see whether we will get a disconnect and connect cable again. So it is back to online. So my laptop starts talking with the router. So I will show you on this in command prompt as well. So command prompt here, ping command is used, ping. So ping and 192.168.31.1, it means I'm entering here my router range, router IP address. So if I press it enter, so it gives replying from bytes. This means, this indicates that the router is replying, the router is connected. So if I type here random address like my camera address, so my camera address is 10.50.10.11, ping 10.50.10.50, 12.15 dash T. So it will show my device is not connected, even though my camera is connected on a switch. So you can see guys, so far we have seen that like we can ping, our laptop is connected with the router. I can show you here in command prompt as well. For this one, like if you need to open a command prompt, and if you press up arrow from the keyboard, it will take you to the last prompt that you enter on this command prompt. So I'm entering that one. So it is still replying, means my laptop and my router are communicating each other. Whereas if you press Control C, then it will stop. And then if I go to my camera IP, so it will not pinging. So now, as you already knew this guy, this is because my laptop has got a 192.168.50.21, whereas my camera has got a totally different IP, even subnet marks different. So there is no way they can talk. So let's make it connection between camera and my laptop. So let's go to the Ethernet option, guys. Internet option. Click on Open Network Setting, and click on Ethernet, and change adapter option, and go to Ethernet option. Click on Properties, and click on TCP IPv4, and click on here IP range. So here the camera IP, I just want to see my camera IP as well. So my camera IP is, so let me show you. This is my camera IP. Yeah. Sorry guys. So from here I can show you. 10.50.12.15, 10.50, 12.15, 10.50, 12.15. 10.50, 12 dot, this is 12 is the range and 15 is the unique number, so we don't have to make a 15, let's make it 20. And the subnet max is 255.255.0.255.0.0. And like we are not putting anything on the gateway, so gateway is always used to communicate with the internet. If my camera is talking going with through the internet to the different system, then we need to set a gateway. Gateway is like a giving a remote access, just like an internet giving leaving it to the internet. So we are viewing this camera locally, so I don't have to set up this gateway. You remember guys, gateway means anything we are giving it to the internet. So on this one, camera is here, it is connecting directly with my switch, so we don't need to set up the gateway. This is how gateway works. So click on OK, click on OK, and close this one. And let's go to command prompt and let's see what is happening here. So let's type our camera IP address. So it indicates that our laptop and camera are pinging, means they are connecting each other, communicating each other. And let's type our router address. So this is our router address, and it is not pinging, so it shows destination host is unreachable. So it means our camera is connected and the router is not. So which means you guys have already understand what's the main reason for this one. For this one is our router, like our laptop is on the range of 10.50 to 12.15, whereas camera is also on the same range. So that's why our laptop and camera are connected, whereas our router is totally in different range. So now go to any browser and try to open the IP address of the camera, and it will open you to the camera browsing lens. So this is our camera guys, we can see the camera. And here we didn't set gateway, means we are locally seeing this camera, means we are not sending this camera to the router to the remote host. Like if this camera need to be monitored by the remote office, suppose you are in Darwin and then your main head office is on Sydney or Melbourne, then they have to set up a particular gateway on this camera, so that they will have a look on the remote view guys. So if you wanna only access the remote view, then guys you don't have to set up the gateway. And then another question guys, now we can access only one at a time, like either camera or either a router. So what if the question might arise is, what if we want to access both at a time? So there is one more option guys in the internet things. So if you go to the change adapter option and go to Ethernet and go to properties, now go to IPv4 and go to the advanced setting guys. Here you can set additional IP and the subnet of our devices. Like here there is only one IP and one subnet mark, so that we can access only this camera. And now if I add one more, which is 192.168.31.1 is our router, and 255.255.250 is our router subnet max. So once you add additional IP 192.168.31.11 and 255 for the subnet max for the router, so click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK. Click on close, and let's go to the command prompt and let's type our router IP. And so yes, that indicates that we can access, our laptop is connecting with the router as well. And let's try the camera one. Yes, we can access the camera as well. So let's go to any browser. Let's go to any browser and so let's refresh it. Yes, I can still access my camera here. You can see. And let's try to log in our router 192.168.31.1. Yes, this is the login page of our router, guys. So let's move to the third step of our video, which is what are the major problems we face while working as a technician on the field. So the major problem is the connectivity issue. Even though your camera is fine, working nice, and even though the laptop is working, even though you are getting a good power supply, then there will be no connection between your laptop and your camera or any networking devices. That's because of your IP or either subnet mask or either the gateway problem. So guys, make sure you are on the same range with the camera or any devices you are connected with your laptop, and also check your subnet mask as well. And the second problem is because of the loose connection, loose cable connector on your camera or either in a PoE injector or either on your laptop. Make sure you double check all the connection are not loose. I hope guys you like this video, and from this video your IP subnet mask and gateway confusion is clear. So just watching my video will not make you not develop a confidence, guys. Make your hands dirty. Open your laptop, connect your laptop with your nearest router or any IP devices, and try to ping and try to disconnect them and try to play around with the gateway, try to play around with the IP. Then only after you will be confident. It's been 5 years I'm working as a technician on my field. Like, even though I'm getting confused and I'm getting a new problem day by day, guys, that's why I will highly recommend you to play around with these IP things. Then you will be definitely be a good technician, good network technician. So that's all for today. If you really like my video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you and subscribe to my channel. I will make similar more informative video on these upcoming videos, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.